Hi guys! As shown in the beginning, today I will be editing a creative transition effect using the crop and motion features. Let's start today's tutorial. Launch VideoProc Vlogger and create a new project. In the toolbar, find the text icon and click on it. Go to the inspector to edit the text. Choose your desired font style. And then adjust text size, character spacing, and position. Click the color box and change the text color to yellow. Scroll down to the text shadow section and disable the shadow. And click the plus icon on the left of the subtitle track to add several tracks. Use the shortcut Ctrl+C to copy the text and paste it onto a new track. Adjust its position on the top of the screen. Afterward, click the text icon again and repeat the process with the different fonts and colors. Once done, click the camera icon above the preview window to generate a screenshot. Return to the main interface and create a new text. This time, I will add it to be red. After adjusting all the settings, click the camera icon again. Import all the materials you prepared. Click this button to add more overlay tracks. Drag a video onto a video track and adjust the length. Next, drag a black glitch background onto the overlay track. And go to the inspector. Click Height to make it fit your screen. Find crop icon in the toolbar and use it to crop the lower half of the screen. Click Apply to return to the main interface. Copy this clip and paste it onto an empty track. Enter the Crop Editor panel again and crop the top half of the screen. Back to the main interface. Adjust the positions to piece everything together. Next, drag a text image onto the timeline and adjust the length. In the inspector, click Height to make it fit your screen. Scroll down to Compositing area and set Blend Mode to Screen. Use the same logic to crop it. Once finished, find the motion icon in the toolbar. Click on it to add a motion effect. At the first frame, click Add Keyframe and adjust the box size and position. Move the playhead backward and click Add Keyframe to add a speed curve. Return to the first keyframe and move the box downward until it's out of the frame. And at the last frame, click Add Keyframe to hold a state, and click Apply. Now select another clip and add it using the same method. The difference is that the first keyframe's box should move upward until it is out of the frame. Once the keyframes are added, return to the main interface and use the same method to add motion effects to these two background clips. Now drag background materials and text image from the media library onto different tracks and perform basic editing. Then select the text image to add its overall motion effect. At the first frame, click Add Keyframe and adjust the box size and position. Move the playhead to generate the second keyframe and adjust the box to select only one word. Add a speed curve. And generate a third keyframe with no adjustments. At the last frame, click Add Keyframe and move the box upwards. Add speed curve and complete edit. Drag the final text image onto a timeline. Perform the basic editing. And go to the Motion Editor panel. At the first frame, click Add Keyframe and adjust the box size and position. Move the playhead backward and click Add keyframe to add a speed curve. Return to the first keyframe and move the box upward until it's out of the frame. Generate the third keyframe with no adjustments. At the last frame, click Add keyframe and move the box upward until it's out of the frame. Drag this video to an empty track. Click the color icon in the toolbar and adjust the saturation, contrast, highlights, and shadows to turn the video black and white. Return to the main interface and click the motion icon to add the motion effect. At the first frame, click Add keyframe and adjust the box to fill the screen. And move the playhead to the next frame and click Add keyframe to add a speed curve. Return to the first keyframe and move the box downward until it's out of the frame. Generate the third keyframe. Go to the frame control panel and change the aspect ratio to custom. Adjust the box size and position to present the desired image, and add a speed curve. At the last frame, click Add keyframe to hold the state, and click Apply. In the inspector, add the scale and position to fit the previous text layout. Next, use the split tool to cut video into two parts. Copy this clip and paste it twice onto different tracks. Adjust the time points and positions to get a desired layout. Next, add a text at the proper time. Adjust the parameters according to the content on the screen, and add an appear animation. Similarly, copy this text and paste it twice onto different tracks, adjusting the time points and positions to fit the material. Finally, apply a fade effect to each of these elements to create smooth transitions. And don't forget to add a background music track. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. And if you want to know more about the other tricks, what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye!